I'm going to be doing some real measurements of the snow right now. See, so right here is, there was no snow here. This is my driveway. So maybe let me measure from the front, whereby is the entrance to my house, and you can see they've not plowed the street, so this is the snow that fell on this place. So let's measure right here. So the last time, the snow that fell last time, we had about 21 inches from the last time. So let's see how many we have right now. The last one was 21 inches. So right now, this time around, I'm calculating about 31 inches. So the last time that fell, the snow that came last time was 21 inches. So, but right now, outside here, I have about 31 inches for outside. It's not easy.